We are moving into a completely new energetic landscape, and you may already begin to feel it. In this update, I will cover 4 core themes for this upcoming week. Hi, I'm Lana from lunasanctum.com, and this is your weekly astrology forecast for the week of April 26. Number 1 is Uranus enters Gemini. After its 8-year transit through Taurus, Uranus moves into Gemini today on April 26. And this is really a big one. Uranus takes about 84 years to move through the entire zodiac, and it will now remain in Gemini until 33. But what makes the shift even more significant is this. Uranus is the last outer planet to change signs. With Pluto now in Aquarius since November 2024, Neptune in Aries since February this year, and now Uranus entering Gemini. So we are now fully shifting into air and fire energy. And with this final planet locking into place, this combination unleashes a new level of speed. Things may begin to feel even faster, more dynamic, perhaps even more unpredictable, but definitely more activating. The second theme is a shift in how we think. Gemini rules the mind, our thoughts, communication, and perception. Uranus represents disruption, awakening, and freedom. Together, this brings a rewiring of how we think. Of course, this is just the beginning, but you may already start to notice sudden insights, new ways of thinking and communicating, breakthroughs of perception, or even sudden shifts in perspective. Generally, there can also be a strong theme around freedom of expression and communication in the collective. At the same time, this energy can feel overstimulating, so it's really important to stay grounded. And if you feel that, I've linked a free grounding meditation below to support you. Next, we have Mars currently in Aries, its own sign, which makes this energy very strong and very direct. This brings high drive, motivation, and fast-moving energy. But it can also increase impulsiveness, so be mindful of reacting too quickly, speaking without reflection, or emotional impulsivity. If possible, try to take a step back or a deep breath before responding. With Mercury also in Aries in conjunction with Mars, mental energy is heightened, so your thoughts may feel faster than usual. Use this energy consciously. This is really powerful for starting something new, taking bold actions, stepping into more independence, and generally moving forward with confidence and clarity. Now, balancing all of this fire and speed, the Sun in Taurus brings a grounding anchor. With all this fast-moving energy, the Sun in Taurus really becomes incredibly important. Taurus as an earth sign is grounding, steady, and slow. And it invites us to slow down, simplify, reconnect with the body, and move with patience and intention. And really right now, this is one of the few stabilizing influences. While much of the sky feels fast and electric, Taurus season helps us anchor back into presence and calm. So really lean into it. So in summary, this is a week of real energetic movement, a shift in how we think, act, and move forward. So stay grounded, stay present, and give yourself space to integrate. And if you feel cold, you can find a guided and nourishing meditation linked right here. Thank you, and I'll see you next week.